Saudi Arabia revealed plans for its own futuristic metropolis, the Line, in January 2021. Communities would be erected vertically and neatly placed in a line rather than spreading outward from a central point, hence the name. This linear smart city is being built in Neom, Tabuk Province. It is intended to have no streets, cars, or carbon emissions. The entire system would be connected by high-speed rail that would travel the entire distance in just 20 minutes, doing away with the need for any automobiles. The metropolis, which spans 170 kilometers, is a component of the Saudi Vision 2030 project, which according to Saudi Arabia would boost GDP by $48 billion and add 460,000 jobs. The line will be part of the first phase of a $500 billion project in Neom. By October 2022, excavation operations had begun along the full project's length. The project has drawn criticism for its effects on the local ecology and inhabitants, as well as for being technologically and economically unviable. The line will be 170 kilometers long and preserve 95% of Neom's natural environment. Greenery would extend along the top of it. An open-air ventilation system would contribute to year-round climate control. The line will extend roughly from the Red Sea to the city of Tabuk. With 9 million inhabitants, it will have an average population density of 260,000 persons per square kilometer. The line's layout consists of two mirror-image structures connected by an outdoor area, with a total width and height of 200 and 500 meters, respectively. The city will be completely run on renewable energy, according to the plan. 3 layers will make up the structure, one on the ground level for pedestrians, one below earth for infrastructure, and one below ground for vehicles. Residents will be compensated for providing information to the line, which will utilize artificial intelligence to monitor the city and apply predictive and statistical models to find ways to improve daily living for its inhabitants. The estimated cost of construction ranges from $100 to $200 billion, with some estimates reaching $1 trillion. The Saudi government asserts that by 2030, it would boost economic diversification, generate 460,000 new employments, and add $48 billion to the country's GDP. Mohammed bin Salman, the Saudi crown prince, revealed the line's strategy in a speech that was televised on Saudi state television on January 10, 2021. The first inhabitants were anticipated to move in during 2024, and construction work started in October 2021. The project's initial phase was expected to be finished in 2030 as of July 2022. Critics worried that the project would be a sizable barrier to nearby ecosystems and disrupt the migration of animals. The mirror-like outer face would be hazardous for birds. Also, the indigenous Huwaita tribe was driven out of their homes. The line will be made up of interconnected communities, or modules. 135 modules totaling 800 meters long and 500 meters tall will make up the entire structure. Each village would be largely self-sufficient, making it possible to walk 5 minutes to practically anything you would need, including a school, a doctor, or a quick dinner. According to Prince Mohammed, this long skyscraper construction will be higher than the majority of the world's current buildings. The plans for this metropolis will challenge the idea of flat, horizontal cities and serve as an example for protecting nature while enhancing livability. For many years, engineers and architects have struggled to even imagine the concept of this incredible megacity. Due to the expensive nature of the project, even those directly involved in it are uncertain as to whether it will truly be completed.